Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a free domain for Shopify. So to do this, just go to your Shopify store. After doing that, just click add a custom domain and click add domain. Then here, you can connect your domain and then you will need to enter which domain you own. So now to get your free domain for Shopify, just open up a new tab and search for a free domain. Now, there are many options here and some of them will be specific for your country. Now, one that is often used is this one called Freon, but for this example, I'll go with the Hostinger, but you can try all of them to find one that is free for you. Then here you can just enter your desired domain name and then you can click search and then you can see this domain right here with an actual .com is free right here, $0 for your first year. Now after that period, you will need to pay for it and kind of depending on domain, it will be more or less expensive. So if you have a longer domain, it will be a cheaper after that. And Doom is the most expensive, but it is free for this first year. But for example, domain like Click is very cheap. So this is how you can get a free domain. Now you can also try out these other ones. So as I said, Freedom is used quite often. If I enter the same domain right here and I click check availability, you can also find the domain here and then also check the availability right there. So now after you have got it, you can then connect it to Shopify, entering it here. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.